Hi, welcome to TechPrees. The latest trend in the smartphone industry is to cram maximum screen size into a device, and companies are ditching the notch. Yeah, that makes sense because notch is one of the least favored features on a phone in the world. After Vivo's Nex S, Oppo has followed the trend and launched its most anticipated smartphone, Oppo Find X. Interestingly, both front and back cameras come with pop-up technology, no notch, almost no bezel. Let's take a look at the features of the phone. Most interesting feature of this device is definitely its camera. Unlike many in the market, Oppo is the first to introduce both back and front cameras in a pop-up system. The phone looks neat when the camera is not active, no camera bump at all on the back, and looks premium in its build quality. The dual camera at the back is a 16 plus 20 megapixel setup, while the selfie cam is a 25 megapixel shooter with 3D facial scanning system. Nope. There is no fingerprint scanner for security locking, which is the drawback of this phone. The camera can open in just 0.5 seconds. That is pretty quick for a mechanical camera system that pops out when the camera app is active or when you want to log in. Otherwise, the phone looks a lot like Galaxy S9. The device has curvy 6.40 LED panel with 1080 pixels and resolution and very narrow bezels. The screen-to-body ratio is 92.25%. Internal specs are as beefy as you would expect on a latest device. The phone has Snapdragon 845 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of storage. And all the system gets its power from a fairly big 3730 mAh battery. The battery supports VOOC fast charging. When it comes to connectivity, there are all sorts of features you would expect. It is a dual SIM phone with worldwide LTE band compatibility. The good news for Europeans and Americans: if you ever wanted to taste the Oppo, the Find X will be the first Oppo phone sold in North America and Europe. In terms of software, Oppo Find X comes with Color OS, a customization of Android 8.1 Aria. Color OS looks a lot like iOS and Samsung Android version. What do you think about the new Oppo Find X? Leave your thoughts below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.